Hello friends, today I am making this pattern, very beautiful pattern. See, very beautiful. I am showing you how to make this double side pattern, back side also like this. Very beautiful and very easy to make. So let's start. I am using for this 3 number hook. Let's start. I am making chain here like this. How much width you want, take the measurement and make the chains. This is the width. How much width you want, take the measurement and make the chains. Now I am making chains. I want to make these two portion to show you. So I want that length of chain. Okay, now making 3 chains extra and pricking here in the 4th chain and making double crochet. This row is only double crochet. Like this, make the full row double crochet. Now this row is finished, double crochet. Now making 3 chain and here we are making here border, 2 double crochet. This is the border. Now making 2 chain and skipping here 2 chain, going to 3rd one. Here making single crochet like this. Now making 3 chain and skipping here 1 2 3 4, 4th one. Here making double crochet and 1 chain in the same hole, another double crochet, 1 chain in the same hole, another double crochet like this. Now making 3 chain and skipping here 1 2 3, 4th one making single crochet, same like this. Now making 2 chain and here 3 double crochets like this. Now here same 2 double crochet, skip here 2 double crochet, go to 3rd one, make single crochet and 3 chain, 1 2 3, skip 3, 4, go to 4th one, make double crochet like this, and one chain in the same hole, another double crochet, one chain in the same hole, another double crochet, like this. Now making 3 chain, 1 2 3, go to fourth one, make here single crochet and 2 chain, here make, skip 2 chain here, and here make double crochet, 3 double crochets. Like this. See, like this. I am showing this pattern 2 times. This one and this one. Now making next row, making here 3 chain and turning this side and making here this border double crochets. Now making here 1 chain and here skipping this one, this hole, going to next hole, here making puff. 1 time, this is 2 time, and this is 3rd one, this is 4th time. Now making all together 1 and making this one, and here making 3 chain, and in this hole we are making another puff. 2 time, 3 time, 3rd one, this is 4th one. Now making all together 1, these 2 rings are there, making them 1. Now making 3 chain. Now in this hole making another puff. 1 time, this is 2nd one, this is 3rd one, this is 4th one. Now making all together 1 and 2 rings are there, making them 1. Now making 3 chain, and in this hole we are making another puff. 4 puffs are there. 2 times, this is 3rd one, this is 4th one. Now all together 1, these rings are going to 1. Now here 1 chain and make this 3 double crochets. Yarn on and make the 3 double crochets. Like this, same here making. Now see two side also this pattern finished, like this. Now making next row, making here 3 chain and turning this side and making this border double crochets, like this. Now making here 3 chain, and in this here we are making single crochet. Now making 3 chain and here single crochet, 3 chain, here single crochet. Now making 3 chain and here making double crochet. 3 double crochets are there. So making them like this. See, like this. This row is continuing here. Now next row, after making this border double crochets, here making 4 chain, and here in this hole we are making single crochet, and making here 3 chain, and in this hole we are making single crochet. After that making 4 chain, and here making these 3 double crochets. Like this. Like this. This pattern is moving like this. See, like this. This one pattern is finished now. Same like this make here. Now this row is finished. After making this border double crochet, here making 2 chain, and here we are making single crochet, and making now 3 chain, and in this hole we are making double crochet, and 1 chain. This is repeating the pattern here. 1 chain and double crochet. This is repeating here. This pattern is repeating here. So here making 3 chain, and here fixing here single crochet, we are making 2 chain and making this double crochets. Like this. Once again this pattern is repeating here. Like this. Now like this making here. Same like this here also finished. Now making another row. So making here 3 chain and turning this side and making this border double crochets. Like this. Now here we are making, skipping this one and making puff, 1 chain and making here first puff, one time, and this is second one, this is third one, and this is one fourth. Now making all together, and here making them 1 and making the chain, 3 chain in this hole. In this hole we are making another puff. Second time, third time, this is fourth. Making them all together, and 2 rings are inside the 2 rings, and make them 1 and make 3 chain. This is repeating the pattern, and in this hole we are making another puff. Once again 3 chain here, making another puff. Yarn on, and second one, third one, this is fourth one, like this. Now 2 chain, and here making yarn on, and here making double chain, double crochets. 3 double crochets are there. That's separating the pattern. These 3 double crochets only separating the pattern, like this. This same pattern going here also, making here also in this side. This is separating the pattern, making here like this. Same. See here. Here I made only 2 double crochets to separate the pattern here and here. Here I made 3 double crochets to separate the pattern here and here. See, this is very beautiful pattern. For this pattern you use only light colors. This dark color is not looking nice. I made the model in dark color. This is not looking nice. This is very beautiful. So make in light color and tell me in the comments, and don't forget to give the likes to my video, thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. I am bringing lot of patterns for you, crochet pattern. So subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.